Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and we're going to look at a really quick and easy thing to fix here in Premiere, which is just when your audio track is only playing on the left or right ear, or if you've split audio tracks, and how to deal with that. So here in this clip is an example of an outro from a Toasty Bros video, and as you can see, this is going to be your left ear, it's going to be your right ear, and we want it to play on both ears so it doesn't sound like someone's talking, behind you, but into one of your ears. So I'm going to go ahead and play an example right here.
One of the coolest builds we've gotten to actually do in a long time. It was awesome that V1 Tech decided.
So there's right ear and here's left ear.
Looks super awesome. Check out V1 Tech by using the link.
Now let's say we want, Jackson's mic here to be coming out through both ears. You'd hit link right here. Where is it? Right click it and go to audio channels, and then you're going to hit the ears you want to come out. So right now his audio is on the right ear, which we saw, that's how it started, and I want to make the other one, the left channel, also from the right channel. And now they've copied, so now
All right, guys, so this is definitely one of
he talks, we get that, but the problem is now we're missing Matt.
Using the link down below.
So what we'll do is we will copy this audio by holding Alt and dragging it down one, and then we'll select that one and right click. It will look for audio channels, and now select the left ear, and boom.
Oh, special thanks again to them for
Now we
sponsoring.
have balanced audio. And that's all you really need to do that. I hope that was helpful, and you all take care. Peace.